Okay, so this is also combining like terms, but if you notice here, we have two separate terms. And I'll explain it here in just a second to get my highlighters right. There we go. So we have two terms that say 5x and 3x. And then we have another term that doesn't have an x on it at all. It just has 20. And it also is equaling 68. So whenever I'm trying to simplify this or I'm trying to solve for x, I'm trying to get these x's down to where it's just one x. The only thing I can combine are these like terms right here, which is 5x plus 3x. So I can make that into 8x, sorry, but I can't add on that 20. And I can't add on that 20 because that 20 is not the same term. It does not have the x on with it. So that's just going to stay the same. We're just going to drop that down. And so is the 68. Since it's on the other side, we can't do anything with it. Now we're going to solve for x using our way of how we're going to undo the problem. We're going to isolate the x. We're going to do the opposite of plus 20, which is to minus 20 on both sides. And when we minus 20 on both sides, I get 48 on one side, and those two cancel right there. So now the 8x drops down, and now we have 8x equals 48. Again, our goal is to get the x all by itself. I don't like the 8 actually next to it. So I have to undo that. And by undoing this, which is multiplication here, I undo multiplication by dividing by 8. So I'm going to divide by 8 on both sides. Those cancel. So now we have x is all by itself, and I'll write up here since I'm running out of room. X is all by itself now. I got rid of the 8's, but I have to do 48 divided by 8. So 48 divided by 8 is 6. And that's the final answer. Again, I took that and I solved it. Let me show the work on that to get my answer of 6.